Turned to be a private class since I was the only one that day. Got a tour first in the public market. Tour guide and chef was so nice considering that I do not know how to cook. Really enjoyed the class and love the taste of Khmer food. Got a cookbook at the end of the class. Thank you so much. The cooking class was so good. Went to the local market and saw a lot veggies and fruit that were new to me. The chef was amazing and patient. The setting in a garden pavilion by a small lake. The food was so tasty. I would totally recommend this tour. It was so much fun. The tuk-tuk driver who picked us up, Sophia, and the chef were all very kind and considerate, so we had a very comfortable time. They explained the ingredients to us at the market, and in the kitchen they gave us detailed instructions on how to cook, so we were able to have the dishes we made for lunch in a lovely space. The kitchen was very clean and well equipped to make cooking easy. I highly recommend it. This cooking class ranked equally with Sunrise at Angkor Wat as the highlight of my trip to Siem Reap. Chef Pry and her assistant Sophie were great guides and the meal at the end was the best tasting food I had during my time in Siem Reap. Highly recommended. Recommend to join this cooking class if you are in SR. All the staff are kind and supportive. If you are not good at cooking, they'll teach you kindly. I totally enjoyed it and was happy to cook Cambodian cuisine. The join-in class was perfect. We got to cook Cambodia's recipes that's deemed to be lost after conflict back then. The process was the best experience knowing you're cooking something new. The class was held in a garden setting which was very relaxing. The instructors were very helpful in teaching us the correct ways of making the recipes. We can also bring the recipe back home to try out. Best part about this, we got to eat what we cooked and it was delicious. I enjoyed my class. The instructors explained the process well. You'll just need one class to appreciate Khmer cooking. The cooking class was full of learning and fun. They made the lesson really easy and all the food that was prepared during the class was so delicious. Lots of freebies too. They made us taste local fruits which are not included in the package. Everything was fun. I highly recommend this as an activity in Cambodia. We booked the private class for 3. It was a great experience. Sophie, our guide, spoke great English. She met us at the local market and took good care of us, always asking how are you feeling? Making sure we weren't uncomfortable with the local market scenes. We learned a lot during the visit, in fact it was a highlight for me. We then got to the cooking class. It was well organized, the chef was clear and made it easy and fun. I highly recommend this tour. I have my own tuk-tuk to pick up the cooking class, first learn the spices. Then I started to learn how to make it. The dishes are very simple, delicious and delicious. Definitely a good way to experience Khmer cooking and taste the Khmer traditional food. I don't cook back home but this class made things easy. The flavors and portions are good. After the class we were also brought into the village to visit a family to understand more about the poverty situation there. Very recommended, the staff is very friendly, explained clearly, the venue is new, clean, the last 3 dishes will be very full and can be packed. Still cooking is better, it is right to put the pottery itinerary in front. This was a great experience. Everything was organized seamlessly from hotel pickup/drop-off and preparation of ingredients for the 3 dishes. I would highly recommend this activity. Picked up by tuk-tuk on time in the morning and arrived in about 20 minutes by car. The surrounding garden is planted with different herbs, all of which are used to cook Khmer dishes. The cooking process is not too difficult, mainly for cutting and cooking. Even if you do not understand the temporary cooking, the chef will help to complete. The sanitary environment is very good and reminds you to wash your hands every time you finish a dish. The cooking class that will never fail ends up as your own lunch, very satisfying and happy. Fun and learning cooking courses, and the opportunity to go deep into rural families to understand the local customs, it is worth everyone to go.